Hello guys, welcome to this video. Today I will teach you how to upload videos or shorts to YouTube. Firstly, what you're going to do is you're going to press this camera with the plus on it. You're going to press and go to upload video. Then you're going to come here and then you're just going to go into the folder where you have your files. If it's a YouTube video, drag it in here and then you can see it's going to be uploaded, and then you can just make your title, your description. If you have a thumbnail, you can press here upload miniature picture, and then you're just gonna pick whatever it is you want, like this for example, and then you're just gonna press next, or of course you have to text this, is it for kids or not for kids? I always press no because then the algorithm prefers it better, and then just gonna press next, 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 and then you have to press private, hidden, or public, and then publish. That's quite easy. That's the normal video. If it's reels, you again are gonna pick upload video, choose files, then you're gonna find it, or if you already have it, like, you can just pick it here. I have this, just put that in there, and it knows it's a short because the way the file is cut. This is a tall, you can also see it here, this is a tall 9:16, and you can see this is wide, so that is a 16:9. And again, you can just say YouTube short, description, is it for kids? No, it's not. And there's just next, 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 and just publish again. And that's the way it is. That is how you publish YouTube Shorts or YouTube videos. If you found this video helpful, please let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe.